How to create an Instagram account without a phone number. You can sign up using your email address instead. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap Create New Account. Choose Create Account manually. On the sign up screen, select Sign up with email address. Enter the email address you want to use for your Instagram account. Instagram will send a verification code to your email address. Open your email, find the verification code, and enter it in Instagram. Next, create a password for your account and continue with the remaining setup. Choose your name, username, and other account details as prompted. Once you finish the setup, your new Instagram account will be ready to use without adding a phone number. And that's how you can create an Instagram account without a phone number using your email address. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials.